PushupsProject.com. We're here in the pit, and like I said, I've been going all Al Frankenstein on my push-up invention using a 2x4. Now, in the last couple of videos, I showed how we're using the principles of leverage to extend the body to make the push-ups harder, more difficult, and challenging. If for some strange reason those are still easy for you, I've got a supercharged version here for you. What I've done is I've taken the 2x4 and I've mounted a weight post onto one end. I've also taken another block of wood and made it a little bit wider at the end so it's not nearly as liable to tip. Place it squarely, firmly, on something elevated about the height of, I don't know, 2 cinder blocks maybe. And now what we're going to do is we're going to place a little bit of weight on it. 20 pounds should do us. So now what we're doing is we're using leverage the other direction. Remember, we had the 2x4 extending out beyond my feet to make my body longer and make the push-up more difficult. Here we're using the same principle that we would use on one of those seated calf machines. You know, they've got the weight post far in front of your feet. And the whole reason for that is so the weight adds more resistance than if you just took the same amount of weight and just laid it on your lap. Doing the same thing here with our push-ups. We're extending the weight above our heads. To get set up, we snaggle ourselves down below. We push ourselves back until our butt is kind of wedged between the 2x4 and the floor. Kind of about where the 2x4 is almost picking up off the ground. We wrap our feet, hands at the ready, tighten up the abdominals to begin with. Whew, deep breath. Yes! And up we go. Yes! It's amazing how heavy 20 pounds can really feel for you. When you're done, you just simply slide yourself back out. Be aware of floor surfaces. This one here, I just noticed I moved it back just a little bit. You want to make sure that your 2x4 is not going to slide out from underneath you. Again, this is stuff I haven't ironed out all the bugs with. So if you're crazy like me and you want to give this a try, you're doing so at your own risk. I don't know 100% how great this is. I think it's fairly safe though. But if you're ever like saying, I want push-ups to be stupid, ridiculously hard, here you go. Don't say I didn't warn you though. Thoughts down below. Till then, be fit and live free.